The AIRROBO 3000Pa robot vacuum cleaner is a versatile cleaning device that combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping to tackle various types of debris on hardwood, tiles, and carpets. With a powerful suction of 3,000 pascals, this robot vacuum effectively picks up pet hair, crumbs, and dust, ensuring your floors are always clean and fresh. Equipped with advanced infrared sensors, it intelligently navigates around obstacles, preventing any interruptions during the cleaning process. Its ultra-slim design, standing at just 3 inches tall, allows it to easily glide under low furniture, reaching those hard-to-reach spots for a comprehensive clean. The convenient control options, including app, remote, and voice commands, make it easy to schedule cleanings and adjust settings, offering hands-free operation for busy households. Utilizing smart path navigation with intelligent gyroscope technology, it follows a precise zigzag path for a more efficient and thorough cleaning compared to random path vacuums.